The next few days may prove to be very significant in the Sushant Singh Rajput case, with CBI sources indicating that they will be submitting a conclusive report on their investigation into the case. This will be before the AIIMS submits their findings on 17th September after re-examining Sushant's autopsy report. According to news sources, the CBI may table its final investigation report within a few days, and this report will be conclusive and without any ambiguity or confusion. More significantly, this news report will be submitted before the meeting of the medical team from AIIMS on the 17th of September.
Over 3 months, Sushant Singh Rajput's case has seen many ups and downs. The Mumbai police, who handled the investigation earlier, was pursuing the angle of professional rivalry and career setbacks when Sushant's father filed an FIR naming Riya as the main accused and changed the entire course of the investigation. The case was then taken over by CBI, with ED and NCB parallelly doing their own investigations and looking at various aspects of the case. And now finally, we may get some answers. Here's why.
After the CBI took over the investigation into the late actor's demise, it asked a team of experts from AIIMS to look into the late actor's autopsy report since there were some glaring issues with it. From a missing timestamp to an alleged delay, which may have led to a loss of evidence from his mortal remains, there were many concerns that the AIIMS team was asked to look into. As per latest reports, the medical team will meet on the 17th to discuss the forensic findings in the case. And the CBI is likely to submit its final investigation report before the medical team meets. There are unconfirmed reports that the CBI may share a possible theory into the actor's demise, but no details are available as of now. Investigations into the case continue in the meanwhile, with the NCB arresting Riya Chakraborty and her brother Shauvik on charges of procuring and consuming banned substances. Dipesh Sawant and Samuel Miranda have also been sent into judicial custody in connection with this matter. Riya has appealed for bail twice, but both times her plea has been rejected. There are also reports coming in that the NCB raided Sushant's farmhouse at Pavna Lake, where allegedly medicines and items used to consume tobacco products were found. After months of uncertainty and half-truth, it seems that a more conclusive understanding of what caused Sushant's untimely demise may finally be possible in the days to come.